What features should be mentioned about YULUCKGO Smart Ring? Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Because it has the following features. Refined style with practical features. This smart ring combines a sleek design with everyday tech functionality. With a glossy finish and quality build, it fits a range of styles whether you're at work, outdoors, or staying active. As part of the latest generation of smart rings, it offers a more discreet and stylish alternative to traditional wearables, making it a popular choice among smart rings for women and men alike. Sleep tracking and daily wellness insights. Designed as a versatile sleep ring and fitness tracker ring, it helps users monitor rest cycles and daily health patterns. Its all-day comfort and lightweight build allow for uninterrupted use during sleep and daytime activities. The ring supports balanced habits by providing meaningful insights, making it a helpful health ring for anyone seeking clarity in their daily routine. Supportive health features for women. This smart ring for women includes thoughtful features like cycle logging, step tracking, and activity monitoring. Whether you're using it as a fitness ring or as one of your go-to health rings for women, it encourages more mindful movement and personal awareness, all in a minimal, comfortable design. Data sharing with no subscription fees. With optional data sharing, this health ring lets you keep family or close contacts informed about selected metrics. Every feature is available without recurring charges, making it a reliable fitness tracker ring and heart monitor ring alternative for wellness-minded users looking for long-term value in a smart ring. Remote camera and splash-resistant design. Capture moments with gesture control using the built-in camera remote, ideal for everyday photos. The splash-resistant design makes this heart monitor ring suitable for daily wear, even through hand washing or light moisture exposure. Whether you call it a sleep ring, fitness ring, or simply one of your favorite smart rings for women, it's designed to fit effortlessly into your day. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.